Hello everyone. Today we are going to demo the warehouse management inventory cloud pre-built solutions. So as we have been working with multiple SaaS teams, we have a lot of pre-built solutions which are available on the Oracle integration solution. And today we are going to look at one of them. So as part of this whole venture, warehouse management team and inventory cloud team have created three pre-built solutions recently. One related to the inbound operations, another one related to the outbound operations with scenarios like receive, inspect, or pack and ship and stuff like that. And the third pre-built solution, which we are going to demo today, is related to the inventory transactions, where user might do some inventory adjustments, or as he receives the LPN, he creates the LPN or modifies it, all those things. So let's quickly look at the pre-built solution. Okay, now here we are on the Oracle integration instance. So right on the home page, we can see that one can access the pre-built solutions, that is recipes and accelerators. Now, if you click on view all, you will see there are a lot of pre-built solutions that are available out of the box. As we can see, there are 192 available right now. Now, the one which we are interested today is between the warehouse management and inventory cloud. So I can simply type WMS and press enter, and I can see there are 5 solutions available. So for today, we are focusing on this instance. To get this solution, all I need to is just click on get. As I click on get, I will see that project has been installed. I can click to go onto the project screen where this solution will be right on the top. So if I open up this solution, I can see this solution includes integrations, connections, lookups, libraries, all at the one place. Now to save the time, I've configured the connections and I've activated the flow. So the way this integration works is we'll create the LPN entry on the warehouse management, and it will see that the updates done to the inventory is synchronized back with the ERP cloud. So let's now proceed with the demo. So here I am now in the warehouse management web interface where I'm just using kind of a mobile device to scan the inventory LPN and then create. What I'll do, I'll get into the inventory, and in the inventory, I'll say I'm creating the LPN. I'll give an LPN for my item, just that which I can correlate to, and I will put punch in the item. So, and I'm entering the quantity. As I've done it, I will end it and I will give the location. Okay. As I've saved the location, this has now created the LPN. Let's now go to the warehouse management interface. Now, okay, here we are on the ERP Cloud instance. We have searched for an item, and if I select the item and say view the item availability, I'm see that item availability is 100. Now let's go to the warehouse management and see if the transaction has been synchronized. And we'll see that 20 item will basically impact it. So it should become on hand 120. So let's go to the warehouse management. Okay, here I am on the warehouse management side. I can see that entry has been created, but those are not yet been synchronized with the ERP cloud. So there is a schedule which is defined that everybody will define based on their needs. I've set up a schedule based on it. It will automatically should pick up. So let's wait for some time and we will check it again. Okay, here we are now. Fast forward 5 minutes and we can see that entry has been processed successfully. So if I now go back to the integration cloud, I can see on the integration cloud that the instance has uh, executed. So if I just refresh it, I would see it has executed now. So the idea here is that we have a schedule of 5 minutes. So that's where you can see the difference of 5 minutes and they have executed successfully. Now, if I go to the inventory cloud and just refresh the item by just selecting the, okay, I can see here already it is showing 120. So this basically shows that as I did the transaction on the warehouse management, the flow executed and it synchronized back. Similarly, if I make any edits, those will also be synchronized. Thank you so much for your time. That concludes my demo.